Hey guys, yes I am wearing no makeup and yes my hair is natural because I've just had a shower. Like most people on YouTube, I do actually clean. That sounds really bad. Anyway, today I'm going to be talking about my embarrassing tales, which is on today's topic of cough attacks. I've got ill in the most awkward situations. 99% of the year I'm okay, and then when something really important happens like exams or holidays, I'm just ill. I hate my body, seriously. So yeah, I haven't been able to make a video for a while because I have been ill with the coughs. So that's why I made the 20 things video. Anyway, so getting back to subject. Awkward cough moments. So number one on my awkward cough attack moments, I had a coughing attack in an auction room. Let that sink in a minute. I nearly bought something I didn't want by having a cough attack. But my mum and my auntie just put it down to me being in a very warm, stuffy situation with lots of people and tension. And I had a drink and I went outside and I was fine. So yeah, that was the first awkward situation. Number two, I've had a coughing attack in not one, but two exams, and they were the most important ones since it was history and one of my maths. So if I get really bad grades, then it is my fault. Yay. So I'm really scared about that. Oh, I hate coughing attacks. And the third and final coughing attack situation was, I'll say at cadets, because most of you know what sort of cadets I do and the rest can just guess, because I don't want people to judge me or anything to happen in the comments below. So anyway, I was writing some notes at the back of the classroom, sort of on how the person teaches them and techniques and stuff. I don't know where those notes have gone. But I started having a coughing attack. So the person who was teaching had to walk out, get me a drink, walk back in, and then had to sort of restart their lesson again. And it was really, really awkward. Let me just tell you that. So yeah, that was my coughing attacks. Oh, they're really bad. Hopefully I'll have some more embarrassing tales for you guys in the future, and hopefully my voice will get better from sounding like this. I think that's it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe because I don't really have any much subscribers. And if I hit the number of subscribers I want, then I'll do something completely random, okay? Also, leave a message below if you have any questions to answer me, because I've got a Q&A coming up with a guest. And also, have a nice day.